Hi, welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking chicken pork adobo. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have black beans, star anise. We have bay leaves, and we got paprika, salt and pepper, garlic, of course our pork belly, and chicken. We have also chicken liver. Now we're gonna use whole pepper and olive oil. We have also the chili, crushed chili. Of course, we have the vinegar and soy sauce. Today we are going to be cooking a little of, this is a large quantity because I have company coming tomorrow. So I'm just taking advantage of the time to cook this chicken pork adobo. So let's proceed to cooking. I have a large spot here, and let's put our olive oil. Okay, we're gonna put the pork first and make it a little bit brown. And we'll put it the pork. So we're gonna fry it just a little bit to make it brown. Before we put all the remaining ingredients. Okay. So we're gonna pan fry it first. Okay, and we'll be right back. Now let's check our meat. Okay, it's a little bit brown now. We're gonna add the chicken on the later part, because chicken is usually soft and it gets tender easily. So now we can add our other ingredients. Let's put our garlic. Okay. Our star anise. Star anise will give it a good smell. We'll put our bay leaves. We can take this out later if you want. Okay. And we'll put the whole peppercorn. There you go. We'll add our soy sauce. Okay, like 3 spoons or 4, maybe 4 spoons of soy sauce. All right. ground pepper. I usually estimate, with this kind of quantity. And we're gonna put a little bit of paprika. Let's dust of paprika, and we'll give it a stir. Gonna mix it. All right. Then we're gonna add water, and we're gonna let this simmer for maybe 30 minutes. Add a little of maybe half cup of water, and we'll cover it, and we're gonna wait until it gets tender. Now let's check our pork. Wow, it smells really good. I think this is half cooked now. This is the time to put the chicken. All right. So we're gonna put the chicken in. All right. Gonna put it on top. It's because chicken, this will take only 20 minutes, and this will be real tender in 20 minutes. All right. So, and then we can add also our liver. All right. And at the same time, we can add like 3 or 4 spoons of vinegar, and then we can adjust it later if we need to put more. Then we'll cover it, and we'll be back after 20 minutes. Let's check our chicken. Wow, smells so good. I think this is cooked now, and I tasted it a while ago, and this is ready to mix our quail eggs. Quail eggs is optional. If you don't like quail eggs, you can use regular egg. So let's put it in, and we're gonna fry this a little bit, and then we're gonna put this in a serving plate. Now we're gonna fry our chicken and pork just a little bit to make it more brownish. Let's do our pork first. Okay. And then we'll do the chicken later. Now we're frying our chicken before we put it in our plating. Here's our finished product: chicken pork adobo. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you, and have a good day.